Hi, today I'm gonna make a video regarding the LED upgrade on my E53. I just bought this set of LEDs and I will show you how I upgraded my long beam. The short beam, it's still xenon. I just like how the xenon looks and how they do their job. But on the high beam, I bought this set of LED lights, H1. Pretty good quality, and you're gonna see the link in the description if you wanna buy them or if you wanna buy something else for your car. I paid around, I don't know, 50 euro, but probably they're gonna be cheaper if you wanna buy them now, because you know the price is going down. Now we see how to do the job. So first to disconnect all the headlight connections. I already disconnected, I didn't film. Now you need to use T20 to disconnect the bulb socket. Also, you need to use a magnetic tool to be sure that you're not gonna drop the small screws inside the headlight compartment. Yeah, so you need to use a magnetic tool. This is how the bulb socket looks. It's held by two screws, T20. This is the halogen. It's 55 watts Osram, made in Germany. Pretty good for his age, for his technology, but I don't like them because, you know, halogen is like really old. And it's 55 watts power consumption for nothing, almost nothing. Regarding the LED, you're gonna see. Okay, so it's very easy to take the socket out, bulb socket out from the headlight compartment. And then this is how the LED looks. And you have an adapter there. It's a H1. Depends what type of LED you're ordering. I've ordered it at H1. So this is the adapter. Yeah, you have two rubber bands there to seal the... Okay, now see how you first fit the H1 adapter, LED adapter, on the socket. That's very easy. You have to match it on that notch. It has to be perfect align. See? It has to be perfectly aligned, and then we're gonna fix it like with that clamp. Now it's already fixed with the clamp, and yeah, you're gonna fit it back in the headlight compartment. You don't need like special tools or something. It's just T20 and that's it. That's very good, this LED technology, because it's a very good visibility and night time, and you know, when it's raining outside, it's not so great because the road is not reflecting the light, and you need powerful lights, especially when you drive nighttime, especially let's say when you drive through Europe or through long distances. Obviously you're gonna drive all night, and you need good lights. and for your eyes, I don't know, it comes an age when you're gonna need a better LEDs rather than halogen, because you know the eyes are getting tired if you have halogen lights, a yellow one. I don't like them. And like I said, I had a good halogens. I had a 55 watts Osram made in Germany, like really good ones, but there is no, not even a comparison regarding the LED power. LED or xenon. On the low beam I have a xenon because I just love them, and on the high beam I have LEDs. Now this is the bulb connection. See, that stuff, it's a minus connection, minus, and the middle one, it's a plus connection. So the red wire goes to the middle, and the minus should go in one of these two side metal parts. It's like the body. The body it's minus, and the middle one it's plus connection. Negative and positive connection. When you feed the LED, the cable that is connected to the LED has to be in 12 o'clock position, basically up the cable. This is the orientation of the LED inside the bulb. So the cable, yeah, has to be orientated up, like 12 o'clock. Now, the red wire goes straight to the middle, the positive connection. See, the positive connection goes straight to the middle, and the negative connection goes to the body of the socket, the connection. You need to connect plus and minus, positive and minus, positive and negative connections. Yeah, this is how you do it. It's very simple. It's taking like, I don't know, 20 minutes maximum, maybe less than 20 minutes. And now you put some adhesive tape to prevent disconnect, to prevent them to disconnect, because you never know. So if you put some adhesive tape, it's gonna keep the connection united there, so you're not gonna have any kind of problems. Now I fit everything back in the headlight compartment. I have a lot of CAN buses. I have CAN bus for angel eyes. I have a CAN bus for LEDs, small ones. I have CAN bus and ballast for xenon lights on the low beam. So I have a lot of stuff inside the headlight compartment. But anyway, when you put all the cables back on the high beam, make sure to leave some space on the fan and cooling fan, because the LED have some cooling fans and they need to disperse the hot air. Make sure to have some space to be able to disperse it. And now we're gonna see daytime how the lights are looking. We're gonna see now. This is the high beam on the LEDs, both of them are really strong. And outside it was like at 1 o'clock, like sunny day, and imagine how they look in nighttime. See, it's bright, it's a daylight, really powerful lights. Imagine nighttime, how you're gonna drive with these ones. And now I have a small video with night before, when I was able to fit only one. And you're gonna see the difference between LED on the left hand side and the low beam and the high beam, and halogen on the other light. Halogen is nothing, and LED is like, I don't know, 3 times powerful. That's why I replace it. I didn't like to use halogen. Now it's only one LED on the high beam, and imagine the power. And now I have fitted both of them, and really they are really powerful and good stuff. Okay, that was the video. Thank you.